What up? What up? What up? What up? I'm just hanging out. Rare moments of a little peace and quiet. Yeah, y'all see it. The betting on myself tank T. Y'all need to get that. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Yeah, it's that It's Doc music, baby. Got a whole apparel line full of stuff for you that'll be good to you. I'm trying to be good to myself. I'm hungry. Trying to make this fit a little better eventually. I don't look good in it right now, but we will. And yeah, man, I don't feel like going out and getting nothing to eat on a Friday night, so I'm gonna eat this kale salad. Not the whole thing, but I do everything for the good of it all. I'm trying to be good to myself, good to my people, and even good with the craft. I just picked something up. Got the Tamron 70 to 180 2.8 lens for Sony E mount. Yes. 70 to 180. Yes. So I am going to be doing some miraculous things with this. Ooh, and Tamron, I see you. It's so light. I love it. Yeah. So I can't wait to take that, get this 200 at 2.8, man, on some portraits. Got a wedding coming up. And that's really why I got this, man, just to make sure I got everything I need for the wedding. And we're gonna make this thing special. And the good people at Bedford Camera here in Oklahoma City decided to go ahead and throw in this for me as well. I mean, spend enough money, I guess they do that. This video is not sponsored. I gotta use all my chips to get it. That's why I gotta get the bricks. Nah, I ain't doing that. I don't even know what that means, honestly. But yeah, I'll take a sample photo with this. I might post it like right now, just something real quick. You can also see how dirty my phone is, man, because the grind don't stop with that. But yeah, man, just a little first impressions on it. It's light, smooth, plasticky, but that's to be expected from Tamron items. But yeah, I'm stupid dumb excited. I'm stupid dumb excited to do some things with this, and y'all can just kind of see how it looks when it's mounted, just like that. Got some packaging. Didn't do a full unboxing, but you know what it is. It's a box. Tamron, keep it simple. We ain't wasting money on color. You gonna get this lens, you gonna get this box. But yeah, dope. Can't wait. It's gonna be amazing. That's enough of me talking. Peace.